Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Carrie here with another review. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, assembly, and review of this baby bumper ride-on car. Ooh, wow, it's a nice size. Yeah, my stomach's messed up. What could you do?
So we got both the motors right here, the good old battery. Looks like the whole little speed controller, and there's a little speaker right here.
Cool. It's very easy to put together.
Very easy.
You're so cute.
Good response on the controls. It's got a nice quiet motor. Very smooth. And they're pretty quick.
Jonah, come over here. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the controls really quick. So here's how you turn it on. And then over here, this is how you turn on the lights that are underneath. I'll just do that again. Turn it on and off. See that? On, off, back on again. Here's the controller for the right side. There you go. Here's the controller for, here's the controller for the right side. Here's the controller for the left side. Go back, go forward, like that. And you see it responds really well. This thing is actually pretty fast too. Not too fast, but fast enough for the little guys to have a lot of fun. And back. And then there is a horn. If somebody's in the way, they can always use their horn. I'll play that again. There you go. Oh, and look! And there also is a remote. Neat, huh? So he's doing everything with the remote now. So if your little one is too small to control the controls on the bumper car, then you have the remote where you can control it for them until they can learn to do it themselves.